Here I have Motorola G50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Night Light, which enables this night mode. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its color intensity, and you can also add a schedule for it. You can set its schedule for a custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. But you will have to firstly enable location settings to do this. In a custom time, here you can select start time, and here you can select end time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.